Are you considering a career in AI engineering or wondering how your salary might change with experience and location? While direct data on these factors isn't always available, we can infer valuable insights from AI salary trends and industry requirements. Let's break down the key elements that influence AI engineer salaries and what you can do to maximize your earning potential. AI engineers earn impressive salaries, typically ranging between $100,000 and $200,000 per year. However, where you fall in this range depends heavily on factors like experience, skills, and location. Understanding these influences can help you plan your career path effectively. Experience plays a major role in salary determination. Here's how. Entry-level AI engineers. If you're just starting out in AI, expect to be on the lower end of the salary spectrum. Entry-level roles such as junior data scientist, machine learning intern, or AI software developer often start near the $100,000 mark. Mid-level AI engineers, with a few years of experience, AI professionals who have honed their skills in software development, machine learning, and AI algorithms can see significant salary increases, typically landing in the mid-range of the spectrum. Senior and specialized roles, AI engineers with advanced expertise in AI algorithms, deep learning, and large-scale AI deployments can command salaries closer to $200,000 or more. Specializing in niche areas like AI research or AI ethics can further increase earning potential. AI research scientists and leadership roles, those with PhD-level education and extensive research experience often earn top-tier salaries, sometimes exceeding $200,000, especially in major tech hubs and research institutions. Location significantly affects salaries, often due to differences in cost of living, industry demand, and local AI ecosystem maturity. Here's how different regions may influence AI salaries. High-paying tech hubs, cities like San Francisco, New York, Seattle, and Boston typically offer the highest salaries due to the concentration of tech giants and AI-driven startups. Growing AI markets, locations like Austin, Toronto, Berlin, and Singapore are emerging as competitive AI hubs, offering attractive salaries and opportunities. Lower-cost regions, while salaries may be lower in smaller cities or less tech-focused regions, the cost of living adjustments may still provide a strong quality of life. Beyond experience and location, your skill set directly impacts your earning potential. Employers look for a blend of software engineering skills and AI expertise. Here are the most valuable skills in the field. Programming languages: Python, Java, R, and C++. Machine learning and deep learning frameworks: TensorFlow, PyTorch, scikit-learn. Data science and analytics: SQL, Pandas, Noom, Pi. Cloud computing and big data: AWS, Google Cloud, Azure. Mathematics and algorithms: linear algebra, probability, optimization. If you want to climb the salary ladder, consider these steps: gain hands-on experience, build a strong portfolio with AI projects, Kaggle competitions, and open-source contributions. Upskill and certify: advanced AI certifications from Coursera, Udacity, or Google AI can boost your credentials. Network and engage: attend AI conferences, workshops, and networking events to connect with industry leaders. Target high-paying regions: if possible, aim for job opportunities in top-paying cities or remote roles with competitive salaries. Specialize in in-demand fields. Areas like AI security, robotics, and NLP are highly sought after, leading to higher pay. AI engineering is a lucrative field, but your salary depends on experience, location, and skill set. Junior engineers can expect salaries around $100,000, while senior AI experts and researchers can earn $200,000 plus in top-tier roles. By strategically gaining experience, improving your skill set, and choosing the right location, you can significantly boost your earning potential in this exciting industry. Thank you for exploring how location and experience impact AI engineer salaries with us. Are you excited about the video? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more cool AI tool recommendations, like, share and subscribe to check out these videos next.